shift focus to the gaming companies. They have been seeking relief, and this is from retrospective tax notices, with the Supreme Court set to address the matter this week. My colleague Varun joins in with more on this. Varun, what are you picking up? Because you have a Delta Corp, which is up 4.5%. Nazara Technologies, which has a small portion of their revenues, is still under pressure.
The e-gaming companies are seeking a stay on the show cause notices issued in the e-gaming retrospective taxation case until the top court gives a final verdict in the matter. Now, these companies are seeking a stay on these notices due to a fear of coercive action from the tax authorities, and they contend that a stay on these notices will actually assure them of the fact that no demands are made until the final verdict is delivered in this issue. Now, the top court has agreed to take up the issue of whether a stay should be granted on these show cause notices or not on Friday, and the top court will also likely fix a date for a final hearing in this case on Friday itself. Now, a little background for our viewers. The e-gaming companies are challenging the tax department's stance to impose a 28% GST retrospectively on the full face value of bets prior to the period from October 1, 2023. Now, these companies have been contending that a retrospective imposition of a 28% GST tax rate is equivalent to sounding a death knell to the industry. Now, since a lot of petitions on this issue were pending before various high courts in the country, the top court last year transferred all these cases before itself so that an authoritative ruling can be rendered on this issue.
So that's with regards to e-gaming. Let's see what the final verdict is. In fact, let me welcome in Rajesh Agarwal, Head of Research at AUM Capital as well. Rajesh, good afternoon and welcome to the show. How are you looking at the gaming companies, especially a Delta Corp, taking into consideration the pain with regards to the taxation issue?
Good afternoon to you and our viewers. Thank you for calling. As far as gaming companies are concerned, we are not that excited about the recent step they have taken to get a stay on the notice. But going forward, we think this tax issue is going to crop up sooner than later. So it's better to avoid at this point of time until some clarity comes up. If somebody is holding, they can continue to hold with a strict stop loss because there are risk factors associated to it.
All right, so that's the view coming in on the gaming counters.